Mga ka-sports, isang PBA legend ang magpapaalam matapos ng Season 50. At hindi lang basta player. Isa siya sa pinakarespetadong leaders, defenders, at role model sa buong liga. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to talk about the one and only Gabe Norwood! Yung tipong kahit 39 years old na, parang may invisible spring pa sa tuhod. Pero sabi nga nila, kahit si Superman, kailangan din magpahinga minsan. Gabe Norwood officially announced that Season 50 will be his last final year in the PBA. Matapos ang halos 2 dekada, serbisyo sa Rain or Shine at sa Gilas, Pilipinas, Gabe is finally hanging up his sneaker. Grabe no? From the time he entered the league in 2008, rookie pa lang pero may veteran mindset na. At ngayon, 2025 na, si Kuya Gabe pa rin ang benchmark ng good leadership sa PBA. Pero wag ka, kahit magretiro na si Gabe, wag nating asahang mawawala agad ang defense niya. Baka i-block pa rin niya yung mga bata sa 3x3 games sa barangay court. Let's talk about legacy. Gabe Norwood wasn't just a player. He was a culture setter. Hindi siya yung type na palaging nasa headline, pero siya yung glue guy na nagdidikit sa buong team. A true professional on and off the court. Naalala niyo pa ba yung poster dunk niya kay Luis Escola sa FIBA? Yun yung moment na buong Pilipinas napasigaw ng, "Wow! Gabe Norwood did that? Legendary, bro!" At mula nun, naging simbolo siya ng fearless Pilipino sa international stage. Seryoso, kung may statline para sa good guy points, si Gabe Norwood na ang big leader. Zero ejection, zero drama, pero 100% respeto. As he closes his career in Season 50, expect Gabe to go out in style. Rain or Shine fans are already preparing tributes. At yung mga kalaban, well, nagpapasalamat kasi finally hindi na nila kailangang bantayan si Norwood sa fast break. Coach Yang Yang even said, "Players like Gabe don't come often. He's a rare gem." Kasi kahit hindi na siya main scorer, yung presence niya, leadership niya, at calmness sa court, priceless na yun. This final season isn't just a goodbye, it's a celebration. A celebration of professionalism, humility, and commitment to the game. So what's next for Gabe Norwood? Coaching? Broadcasting? Or baka maging motivational speaker? Kasi kung speech lang sa locker room, goosebumps na agad sa mga teammates niya. Pero wherever he goes, one thing's for sure, he'll still represent the values that made him great. Faith, family, and Filipino pride. He might hang up his jersey, but not his impact. And imagine this, maybe one day, we'll see him on the Gilas bench as an assistant coach, teaching the next generation how to defend, lead, and stay humble. So as we watch Gabe Norwood play his final PBA games, let's take a moment to appreciate the legacy he leaves behind. From dunks to defense, from leadership to loyalty, Gabe showed us what it means to be a professional athlete and a good person. Mga ka-sports, kung naging fan ka rin ni Gabe Norwood, hit that like button. Comment below your favorite Norwood moment. And don't forget to subscribe for more PBA and sports stories and legends we'll never forget. This has been your Spotlight and Sport, where basketball stories come alive. At lagi natin tatandaan, kahit magretiro na si Gabe Norwood, ang respeto ng mga fans never magre-retire. Maraming salamat mga ka-sports.